No matter you choose to transfer music from laptop to iPhone without iTunes or with iTunes. This guide will show you these two methods in detail. Just check on the steps in the below, and maybe you will find out the one which fit your situation most. Part 1. How to transfer music from laptop to iPhone with iTunes. Step 1. Add music from laptop to iTunes. Open iTunes, click File, choose Add File or Add Folder, add songs or folder to iTunes. Step 2. Transfer songs from laptop to iPhone. Connect iPhone via USB, click phone icon in iTunes, choose Settings, Music. Sync music, select Entire Music Library or Selected Playlist, Artists, Albums, and Genres. Click Apply to transfer songs to iPhone. Part 2. How to transfer songs from laptop to iPhone without iTunes. Try an efficient iPhone transfer program for hassle-free song transfer from laptop to iPhone. It offers an easier and faster alternative to iTunes, making iPhone management a breeze.